Good day everyone, I am Maria Catrina E. Gonzalez of the University of Rizal System, Tanay campus. I am a third year student who is taking a bachelor's degree on secondary education, major in English. For today's video, I am going to discuss how you can make a phrase structure tree. But before that, let's go ahead and discuss what a phrase structure tree is. What is a phrase structure tree? A phrase structure tree is a visual representation of the syntactical structure of a sentence. So by making use of symbols, we will label each part to capture the hierarchical organization of those parts in the underlying structure of phrases and sentences. Let us proceed on our first example. The sentence is, the student made the presentation. Let us start by putting an upper letter S, which is a symbol of the sentence. And then let's divide the sentence into a noun phrase and a verb phrase. The noun phrase is divided into the determiner and the noun. The determiner is the word the, and the noun is the word student. Now let us proceed with the verb phrase. The verb phrase is divided into the main verb and the noun phrase, which includes the determiner and the noun. Now for the main verb, the word is made, and for the determiner under the noun phrase, it is the word the, and the noun is the word presentation. Now let us go ahead and proceed on our next example, which is a little more complex sentence. For our next example, the sentence is, Anne Curtis will be the host for the FAMAS Awards. Now let us start again by putting an upper letter S, which is a symbol for sentence, and then let's divide it with the noun phrase and the verb phrase. Now for the noun phrase, this only includes the noun, which is Anne Curtis. Let us proceed with the verb phrase. The verb phrase is divided into the verb phrase and the noun phrase. The verb phrase is divided into the auxiliary and then the verb itself. The auxiliary is the word will and the verb is the word be. Now for the noun phrase, this is divided with the noun phrase and the prepositional phrase. Now for the noun phrase, this is divided into the determiner and the noun. The determiner is the word the, and the noun is the word host. Now for the prepositional phrase, this is divided with the preposition and then the noun phrase that includes the determiner and the noun. Now for the preposition, the word is for, and for the noun phrase, the determiner is the word the, and the noun is the word FAMAS Awards. Now, I hope that you have learned something from what I have discussed. And again, this is Maria Catrina E. Gonzalez. Have a blessed day.